Hi everyone, I'm Mel from Gel Candy. In this video, you're going to learn how to do DIY nails at home that's fast and easy, with a simple nail art design that anybody can do. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm using the E-Nail Couture Soft Gel Full Cover Tips in a coffin shape. And I've done this hand already and it took me about probably around 10 minutes or so. So it's super quick and you can see that they are they're so strong, they do not bend at all. While they've got a little bit of flexibility, they feel super strong and look beautiful. So this is what they look like. So they are made out of a gel, but like I said, they're very strong. So what we want to do is we want to etch the inside of the nail just so the nail will stick properly and that we won't get any lifting or it won't pop off. So I've already done those. So to do this, I am using my mini toy drill from E-Nail Couture, just on a low setting, and we're just going to remove the shine, just lightly. You can use primer instead of doing this if you didn't have a drill. You could put primer in there and that, rub a good amount of primer on there and that should do the trick. We're just going to get all that dust off so they're all ready to go. When we're sizing our tips, you want the tip to fit nicely from sidewall to sidewall. If it doesn't, you're going to run into all kinds of lifting problems and that's what we don't want. So if you find that you're in between sizes, always opt for the bigger size. So now we're ready to do our prep. So I've got my cuticle pusher and I'm just going to push the cuticles back. Now I'm going to get my e-file and I'm going to change the bits. So I'm using this little bit and it's really good to get into the tricky cuticle area. So again, just on a low setting, and we're just gonna go around that cuticle. You can just really tidy it up. So now I'm just grabbing a hand file and this is a 180 grit from Young Nails. And what we're going to do is we're just going to lightly take off the shine to the top of the nail. When we're doing this, we do want to make sure that we are removing all of the shine. So make sure you get all of it off. Just nice and softly. Remember, we're just trying to take the shine off. We're not trying to file any of the nail off itself. Now that that's done, we're just getting all the dust off. Make sure there's no dust left behind. So once that's done, we want to go in with our nail prep, and I am again just using the E-Nail Couture nail prep. And then we have our E-Nail Couture primer. So once we've done that, we're going to go in with a thin layer of base gel. Just make sure you're covering the whole nail. Alright, now we want to cure that for 30 seconds. So once I've cured in the lamp for around 30 to 60 seconds, depending on what kind of lamp you have. I have a really strong one, so it cures in 30 seconds. So we are now ready to apply our tips. So we want to apply another thin coat of the base gel just over the nail. And this will make sure that we don't have any air bubbles. So then we put a little bit of the gel base just in the bottom, just like that. We are going to wiggle it on and push it down. Just hold it nice and firmly. And then I'm going to just get my lamp and flash cure it, just so that it stays in place. All right, so again, a thin layer over the nail. And then on the tip as well. And then we're gonna just push it down. And then hold it in place. Flash cure that so it stays. And then we'll repeat. So now that we've done that, we want to go ahead and put it in the lamp for another 30 seconds to give it a final cure. So I'm going ahead and using my Young Nails 180 grit, and we're just going to lightly shape our nails. And we also just want to give it a little bit of a file just around the cuticle area, just to make sure that it's nice and seamless. We don't need to file too much, just a little bit, and we only need a soft file so that we don't file off too much of the nail. So now they're ready to paint. I'm going in with my Gellyfit Professional FE02 nail polish, and it's like a beautiful nude. And this is from their makeup collection. It's very pretty. Alright, so now we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. So we're going to go in with another layer. I decided I'm going to decorate these with the holographic foil from Nail Couture. I'm just going to go in with this one. What we're going to do is put a thin layer of the Maxi Magic Film Glue just on the nails that we want the foil. Make sure that you're getting the whole nail. And then we're going to cure this in the lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, so we're just going to place it over the nail. We're just going to kind of choose how we want to place it. And then I'm going to get my silicone tool and just rub it down nice and firmly. You can just use your finger. And then when you're happy with it, we just pull it off. So with these two fingers, I really wanted to do some bling. So I've got my gummy jelly here from Nail Couture. So I've just got a mixed tray here of crystals. And I've got a gel brush here, and I'm just gonna place a thin layer of the gummy jelly over the top of the nail. And this is gonna make sure that our crystals do not come off. Alright, before I stick the crystals on, I am going to go in with my top coat, and I am just using the Wonder Gel, again from eNail Couture. A nice coat of that on. Now I've got my little crystal tool. I'm just placing crystals randomly. Let me know in the comments which one you guys prefer. The bling or no bling. Don't forget to comment down below what you would like to see in my next video. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks for watching.